Hey everyone, welcome back to Everyday Makers. I am Dan. I've got another tool tip, tool recommendation for you today, so stick around. Alright, thanks for joining me today. So, the tool tip for today, tool recommendation, whatever you want to call it, involves utility knives and just what I have found over the years of using utility knives, which ones I like, dislike, why, and all that good stuff. So we'll start with ones I really don't like. So this one I believe is I think it's a Craftsman. It doesn't have a name stamped on it. So this is like a cheaper one that you can get. It has something to avoid. If it has this little lock here, I have found that it's garbage. This one doesn't extend right, it doesn't retract well because this lock mechanism gets broken or whatever. If the utility knife that you're making / buying needs this little lock, then the set positions aren't going to work right anyways. I've found that when I pull this out and use it and push down on stuff, it just retracts. It's useless whether or not I have the lock on or not. So I should probably just throw this away, but it's around just in case I can't find anything else, then I begrudgingly use this. So do not get one of these if it has that little lock on it. Another one, this one I like. This is a Stanley. The action on it is nice. It stays where it's supposed to. It's beefy, it's well built. I have no complaints about this one. I'll use this one all day long. The only thing that I don't like about this is getting out the blades. And all these, you take out the screw in the middle and it stores extra blades inside, which is fine. There's, it's not a big deal to take one screw out and get a new blade out and put the blade in. But I have this one. This is a Cobalt, which is the generic brand, if you want to call it, or the Lowe's brand. And this one has a little quick release on it. And it opens up and you can change the blades without having to go get a screwdriver, which I find awesome. I also like the slight curved shape to it with the finger rest. And the action is awesome. The only thing I wish is it had some more preset positions for the blade. I think there's 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. There's medium, fully extended, and closed. That's it. That's the only thing I don't like about this, but I really haven't found myself during a job saying, man, I wish I had, I guess there's 4. The Stanley has more preset positions. So this is my go-to one. It's cheaper than the Stanley. It's a little more expensive than the garbage, but you pay for garbage, you're gonna get garbage. So that's my recommendation for utility knife. I also have, I know I have 4 knives that I use, but this hobby knife, this is a Hobby knife, if I can get the lid off here. So it's just a straight razor. It doesn't have any retraction or anything. It's very good for fine work because it's almost, you can hold it like a pencil and do a little scribing work with it and small cuts. So this is just another tool I have around the shop that I use for specific things. And now I can't get the blade back inside. So we're just not going to right now. I was putting it in the wrong side. That'll happen. So that's my quick recommendation, tool tip for utility knives. Thanks for joining me today. Have a wonderful day. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff to our videos.